Hi, I'm Mark Bleiweis with HIT Contracting, and we are at the historical Willard Hotel, also known as the Residence for Presidents. We were fortunate enough to come onto this project in a pre-construction agreement that allowed us to work with the client for several months before the project started. Our project here is to renovate 321 guest rooms, 14 specialty suites, and all of the corridors and hallways in between them. Most of the project is replacing floors, replacing light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, new paint, new vinyl wall coverings, and of course all the new beautiful furniture.
This was a challenging project because we are working on 5 floors at the same time. All the FF&E was supposed to stay in the room where we are working. There was no storage area to move it. Working in a historical hotel, 200 years old, rough-in, and now we are doing it all according to the code. They don't want to demo the whole shower, so what we did is we removed one line of tile. We installed a porcelain palan around the valve and the shower head. The biggest challenge is keeping the noise down, especially before 9.
We often have over 100 tradesmen working here in the building. Every day the hotel can't rent out a floor, can't rent out a room, they're losing the revenue. And if you're walking through the lobby, you shouldn't know any construction is happening here at all. It's been an honor to work in this historical hotel and achieve these fantastic results.